Hi, this is Micah coming at you from Do It Tennis, and we're here today looking at the Babolat Team 6 racket holder. From the name you can tell it holds up to 6 rackets is what it's recommended. Here, we'll take a look in the front pockets. See this first one's a little bit larger than the second one. It actually goes all the way deep over to here. And there's one on top of that which is much smaller where you can put keys or cell phone or something of that nature you don't want moving around too much. It's a great compartment for that. Because here, this is the first major compartment here. You can fit 4 rackets in here fairly comfortably. And then you go to the second compartment here. Again, very large. This is where you put more of your gear like shoes, towels, tennis balls, things of that nature. And then it does have 2 shoulder straps, so you can carry it like a backpack, which is a nice feature. Something that you might have noticed, there is no thermal lining in the 6-pack racket holder. So if you wanted to get that thermal lining to keep your strings the same tension, you'd want to go with the 12 racket holder on that one. But this is great for a tournament player or a high school player or someone that, they carry, 2 to 3 rackets and then a decent amount of gear with them. All right, there's plenty of room for a lot of gear in this racket holder. All right, if you'd like to purchase this bag or learn more about it, you can visit us at doittennis.com.